10.
So with the discovery of thousands of planets beyond our solar system, that means the search for other intelligent life, other aliens, has intensified. What is the likelihood that we will have definitive proof of this other life?
I think that, yeah, I think the aliens are out there. I get a lot of emails from people that say that they've been abducted by flying saucers, so they've met the aliens. I tell them the next time you're abducted by a flying saucer, steal something. I don't care what it is, an alien paperweight, an alien pencil, steal anything so you have bragging rights afterwards.
You can prove this actually happened.
That's right. So yeah, I think they're out there because we have discovered 4,000 planets going around other stars. On average, get this, on average, every single star you see at night has a planet going around it. On average, 100% of the stars you see at night have a planet going around it, and a fraction of them are Earth-like. So I think, yeah, we have twins out there, twins of the Earth. When you go home tonight, look out in the night sky, somebody is looking back.
Should be a clear night as well. If we do detect signs of life beyond Earth, especially intelligent life, how will that change us?
Oh, it'll change us completely. I'll stick my neck out. I think in this century we'll pick up a radio transmission, we'll eavesdrop on some communication between alien civilizations. Now, are they going to land on the White House lawn and announce their existence?
Probably not.
I don't think so. If you're in the forest, do you go to the squirrels and deer and try to talk to them? Well, at first, but eventually you get bored because they don't talk back. In the same way, I think aliens will land on the Earth and kind of get bored with us because we have nothing to offer them. If you see an anthill, do you go down to the ants and say, I bring you trinkets, I bring you beads, I give you nuclear energy, take me to your ant queen, or maybe you want to step on a few of them. So I think if they're that advanced, we're not on the radar screen.
Not just yet. All right. And once again, thank you, Dr. MicHio KaKu, for joining us. Once again, the book is The